What's up, guys? This is Fix Apple Now. Today we're gonna learn how to save battery in less than 60 seconds. First things first, you want to swipe down from your screen, get your brightness level as low as you can see. Then you want to swipe back up to where you can see all your apps, and then just go ahead and X out of all those that aren't being used. The next thing you could do is go to your settings, go down to battery, and then enable your low power mode. It's gonna make sure the phone's not utilizing any apps or push notifications that are unnecessary. Lastly, you can always enter airplane mode when you just need to save some battery and you're not using your phone. All right, that's it.